Good evening po, ma'am. Ito po yung pedigree ko. Pedigree is Almario. And yung herited po dito is high blood pressure po. Pedigree inherited. First question, which disease can actually be inherited? Hypertension tends to run families. Individuals whose parents have hypertension have an elevated risk of developing the condition, particularly if both parents are affected. However, in the inheritance pattern is no rare genetic forms of hypertension follows the inheritance pattern of individual condition. Ito po siguro yung mga naming sakit po dito po sa lineage po namin dito sa Reyes Almario. Ang ethnic background of my family lineage is farming occupation because of life is hard and no money for education. Di ba po dati po is mahirap po yung buhay kasi walang pera, kasi mahirap po mag-aral, kaya ganun po yung trabaho po ng mga grandfather ko and grandmother ko po nung araw po. Ito po yung grandmother ko po. Maria, my grandmother, birth is February 17, 1947. Death, September 16, 2017. Age of death is 70. Cause of death is hypertension. Kasi po is inatake po siya nung araw po na yun. Dahil din po dun sa hypertension. Siguro po dun sa mga kinain niya pong pagkain. Kaya po siguro siya inatake. And yung grandfather ko po si Redeño. Birth is January 15, 1945. Death, July 18, 2010. Age of death is 65 po. Cause of death po is heart attack. Din po sa may hypertension po siguro. Di po siya nakahinga po siguro. Kumakain din po din siya nung araw po na yan. And Endong my uncle po is birth October 12, 1970. Death August 24, 2005. Age of the 35. Hypertension din po yung kinamatay niya po. And my auntie rin po is birth is April 13, 1970. Age 54 po is may disease po siya na high blood pressure din po, hypertension. Ako po kung bakit na high blood po yung siguro po namana din po siguro. And yung nanay ko po is birth April 13, 1978. Age 46 po. Hypertension din po yung disease po ng nanay ko. May ininom din po na gamot para po sa high blood. And dito po sa may tanong po dito, will be that open-minded to ask your boyfriend, girlfriend, partner about their hereditary diseases reason out? Siguro po, yes, I am open-minded to ask my girlfriend for medication and for emergencies so that I know that diseases she's inherited or not, so that I am ready to support her what she wants and what I should for with her that is better. Kasi po, di ba po, kailangan po natin tanongin yung girlfriend po natin para po aware po tayo dun sa sakit niya, kung anong mangyayari po sa bawat mangyayari po, para po handa po. And you will still be engaged and soon plan to marry someone with serious hereditary diseases such as cancer, congenital deafness, others. Elaborate. Ang sagot po dito ay yes, I am ready to marry him because I love him. No matter what diseases he will do everything just to make him strong in what he is going through, because love is sacrifice for a person you love, but there is also a side that does not depend on the decision of parents, and if is really a lot of money needed to treat him, and maybe I would be better to be practical, right? If you are the one, we will endure everything. So pagkamahal niya po yung isang tao, handa po kayo mag-sacrifice po sa kung anong meron siya, kung anong kung anong sakit niya po, di ba? And dalawa po dito yung sagot ko, yes or magiging neutral po ako. And ngayon po is nagiging practical na po yung mga tao po, di ba? Namimili na po sila kung sinong papakasalan po nila and maganda ba yung trabaho dito, ganun. And kung mais ba yung nila, health po nila, di ba? And ayun lang po yung inherited ko ba. Thank you po, ma'am.